Hey guys, Dave from Timber Time Outdoors. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a subscriber, I got a treat for you. This is my new Stihl MS 500i. Picked it up a couple weeks ago. I haven't even had a chance to really put it into some wood. And so that's what this video is all about. I got a trailer full of wood. We're gonna see how this baby does. I bought it specifically for bucking up rounds for my firewood business, and we'll see how it does. So stay with us, guys, and remember, keep it in the timber.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
All right, guys, if you saw my other video where I picked up the saw a couple weeks back, we got a 20-inch bar on this bad boy. Very specific to my use. I think most people probably get a 25 on this thing. But again, this is a Stihl MS 500i. I haven't had it in any wood yet. I started it, but that's it. And so today, what we're going to do is go through these logs. It's almost a cord. We're going to time it out. We're going to see how fast it goes. I specifically bought this saw for my firewood business, and basically it's for bucking. You know, I have a smaller Stihl MS 261. I absolutely love that saw. That's what I use out in the woods. I can cut with it all day and not get tired. This guy's a little bit heavier, but it's basically like holding onto a small dirt bike. You know, it's 80 cc's, incredibly powerful. I haven't put it into any wood yet, but the throttle response seemed amazing. It's got a great sound to it, so I'm super excited. You know, there's lots of videos on this already, but I'm going to give you my first impression of it. You know, I'm kind of a novice. I do some firewood on the side, and last year I probably cut up 15 cord of wood with that MS 261 and a crappy splitter. And this year, we're kind of preparing for wood for next year, and wanted to up my game with a faster saw. I got a better splitter coming, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, let's get into this here. So we'll start it up, and we'll time out how fast we can cut all these logs. Give it a start. So that was about a 10-foot log. Got to be under a minute. Unbelievable throttle. Unbelievable. This thing is so amazing. I'm gonna get done with this pile in under, I don't know, 30 minutes. Easy. I need more wood. I started about 10 minutes or maybe 5 minutes after 2 o'clock. So 45 minutes to do that pile. Amazing. I'll have to stack it up to see how much wood it is. I'm guessing like 2/3 of a cord, maybe 2 face cords. Might be a full cord. There's a lot of wood. Unbelievable power. I'm so excited about this saw. All right, just some initial thoughts. So 45 minutes of cutting. 1.5 tanks. Oil was about half gone, so it's probably gone now. The 20-inch bar is perfect for this pile. Now if I get into some bigger stuff, I might want a longer bar. I'm probably going to get one anyway, but I was pretty happy with the 20. I mean, you guys see it. I mean, it's just absolutely smoking. I mean, it's through the log before I can think about my next cut. I mean, it's mind-blowing. It's not heavy, guys. I mean, to be honest, I feel exactly the same as I did when I cut with my 261. But, you know, I'd be 1.5 to 2 hours with a pile like this. You know, it's a great saw. It's just, this thing it's exceeded my expectations. Now, the 261 is what, $400, $500, I can't remember what I paid. This is 3 times the cost, maybe even more. It's $1,300, 14 out the door, I suppose. You know, that's a lot. Most people are not going to invest that much money in a saw unless they can, you know, get it back with sales, right? So I'm easily making that with Firewood, but but the fun factor, unbelievable. So I like the 20-inch bar. Fun factor's off the charts. I can't say enough about it. You know, I don't have a ton of experience with a lot of other saws, so you guys that do this professionally and are porting saws and whatever, you're probably laughing, but for average Joe, this is way, way, way good saw. I probably could have got by with less, but I'm glad I did it, and we're gonna go out there and have some fun. All right, let's wrap this video up. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you were as entertained as I was with this thing. Really, really good. So, hey, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button if you were entertained by the video or learned a few things. Share it with your friends. You know, you got some people that cut wood or are looking for a saw, send it to them. And hey, we do all kinds of content like this. You know, it's kind of a 50-50 split between, you know, land management and deer hunting, habitat and that kind of thing. You'll see my videos, as well as, you know, saws and dump trailers and tractors, and who knows what we'll get into. Thanks for being with us, guys. We'll shut this one off. Remember, everybody, keep it in the timber. Bye-bye.